If you want to reduce the calories in your diet, try a new way of cooking, pan frying. Start with thin cuts of meat, pork chops, boneless, skinless, chicken breasts and thighs work best.
Traditional fried chicken is high in fat for two main reasons: the frying oil and the skin on the chicken. Yeah, I know I made you mad, but don't leave yet. By cooking the chicken in the oven, using less oil and removing the skin, we're able to create a healthier version. We also dip the chicken in buttermilk, just like many traditional recipes, but we opted for the lower fat version. I know you want it crispy. Here's the solution. We added cracker meal or panko breadcrumbs to give it a crunch. These calorie changes reduced it by 54% and the fat by 78% when compared to traditionally fried chicken to create a healthier but still tasty meal.
It's not about how you cook, it's always about what you cook with. Let's take a look at non-stick pans. First of all, they don't have to be expensive. They need to be replaced more often like everything else in your kitchen. Everything wears out. Start first with a medium to heavy grate skillet. It provides a steady base for non-stick cooking and prevents overheating. Remember not to overheat your non-stick pans.
It's not only what you eat, but how much you put into it. See you next time. Stay well and stay healthy. For detailed recipes and more information, visit us at ebonynutrition.org.